So guys, welcome to another lecture of our video. Today in this lecture we will try to discuss about the various things which include the specific things about the truck accident females or the person who have used to do a lot of the accident as a home of enjoyment, as a source of enjoyment. And this type of lawyer have its own value and things which could be relatable on the aspect of the human life. Sometimes there are the unfavorable conditional could be happen on that is a reason of accident, and ultimately the relevant person do not get the intention of accident could be happen through this element. So on the other hand, the things that we keep to in mind is about to know and having the importance of the value which could be having the source of earning and having the source of improvement for the purpose of growth. As we all know, the distracted driving by the trucker would be lead him to the severe accident, but he could not understand all these logical statements because he is in rubbish loving someone or thinking about someone sensual or something special. So at this point, the driver is kept under the supervision of asylum, having its own values, which is very good and understandable by the various variety of the things. So on the other hand, the things that we keep to in mind is about to brain or kidney are the vital organ to keep in custody. All these organs should be kept in the custody of the superior or investigator team, that the victim should not go so far without them, and having to come back on every circumstances and conditions. So in this way we should get the justice for our treatment of the understanding, which could be very legal. So the truck driver have a close look on the ladies which is standing on the road, having its own values. So the things we have to keep in mind, the other aspect of life, all the aspect of the life having come in the jurisdiction of the understanding, having the value of evaluation and values of understanding. So the truck driver have involving its accident. So segment of the understanding. So this is all about. Thank you so much.